Testing, testing. Scratch on my box. Oh no. Oh my gosh, there's a huge scratch on the other side. What happened? Are my other ones like that? I guess it's a good thing I got 3 of them. Oh, dang it. Forgot the mic. Still. What is up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode in another series, the P-39 Era Cobra. And here we go. This is super fun. And I'm really excited to get into this. So let's get straight into it. So kicking off with this kit, Monogram released this kit all the way back in 1969. In 1975, they reboxed the kit with a white header and it had like blue and red stripes on it. And I particularly think that these kits are really cool. Like, it just reminds me of America and it's awesome. And it's a classic Monogram box. It's just really awesome. Then in 76, they changed to their classic white background box art, which kind of gave the model a better perspective and a better look, I guess. I'm not sure what they were going for there, but still pretty cool. During that same year, they actually teamed with Bondi and they produced this thing, which was sweet. Yeah. Through 79 and 79 through 83, they changed the box art and the model position. So they actually twisted the model around and they actually took the picture from the backside. And I honestly think that taking pictures from the backside is a lot easier, but I shouldn't say taking pictures from the backside all too much. It doesn't sound quite right. So taking pictures of the side of the fuselage rather than the front of the nose to the wing. Like, it just kind of looks better and it's a lot easier to take a picture from that angle. So it's really, really cool that they actually did this. Not a lot of models have that type of camera angle on a bird. So it is interesting that they did that. I don't think it lasted long because literally the same year they changed the box art and the decals. And the decal change was to the 488th Fighter Squadron of the 59th Fighter Group. So that was pretty cool box art as well. In 89, the box art changed as well again, featuring, which this is interesting, Russian decals. And if you didn't know a little bit about the P-38, the Russians actually loved these things, whereas we did not. They didn't have high altitude capabilities. They were kind of slow, they barely got off the ground, and to some pilots, they were death traps. So the Russians friggin' loved them. The Russian P-38 was an L, and there was a D of the 57th Fighter Squadron, 54th Fighter Group, and a 400 and a P-38D as well as a 67th Fighter Squadron, 347th Fighter Group. So that was pretty cool that they had 3 different kinds. I wasn't able to find what type of decals that the Monogram original 1969 kit had. I looked everywhere, I couldn't find it, even on Google Photos or anything. So I tried, but unfortunately I could not find that bit of details for you guys. Then the box changed until 1990. So this is the interesting part right here. So they teamed up with Hasegawa and produced a sweet P-39 kit with new decals, and it was really cool. I really enjoy this kit. I like looking at it online. And in 94, they released again with Hasegawa with another new box art and more decals as well. So that was pretty sweet that they had all these different decal options for their P-39 at this time. So in 95, Pro Modeler came out with this mold and with new parts and photo etch parts. So that was pretty sweet to have a P-39Q 72nd Fighter Squadron 21st Fighter Group in the collection for modelers out there who love Pro Modeler kits. From 95 to 2011, Hasegawa again teamed up with Monogram and had this kit featured as an RAF P-39 Airacobra. That is so sick. I've never, okay, so before researching this, I've never seen an RAF Airacobra, and I love different emblems, different countries' emblems on, you know, our types of airplanes. I just think it's the coolest thing. So looking into the Airacobra, seeing that it had an RAF version was actually really neat. And I learned that we actually sold them to the RAF, you know, during the later parts of the war, and they kind of sucked. So I think they might have gave them to the Russians. I'm not sure. In the future videos, I will have all the details ready for you guys for the actual history on the Airacobra itself. So stay tuned for that after these next build videos. But continuing on, we get our first version of this kit, which was the last version of this kit as well. First and last version of the Revell kit. And just to me, I think this box art is sick. I love this kit. And honestly, I really enjoyed building it as well. It really was not a bad kit to build. Everything went together so well. And I like P-39s now. At the start of me just finding out about them, I was like, okay, what's the engine doing behind the pilot? And why does it look exactly like, you know, I don't know, a turd? I'm not sure how to put it. It kind of looks like a turd to me. But after building it and really coming to enjoy it, I really like this airplane. I really enjoy it, having it in my collection. So I'm super happy with the build. I'm excited to share it with you guys. So yeah, this is the box for the P-39, and as you can tell, it's got blue lettering, sweet background. You can see another couple P-39s in the background there, kind of swooping around the canyon. And this one obviously features the teeth, which I'm a big fan of teeth on Warbirds. I just like that type of style. And yeah, so in the future, next video, I will be opening this bad boy up and showing you guys what's inside. I'm just really excited to share this model with you guys. It's a brand new one right off the block. It's not one of my old videos, so enjoy the video. I wanted to get a new one out for you guys, and I think I'm just gonna run with these things in order. P-38, P-39, P-40, P-47, P-51, and so on and so forth. Just run these fighters out, and then I'm gonna head right to the bombers and yeah, do those. So just really excited to start this new project with you guys and get these videos out for you. So thanks again for watching, and let's get back to building, baby.